Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. We just got this car pictured. Now I'm doing the video on it. We'll do a walk around, start up, and a drive video on this beautiful 57 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop for you. What a gorgeous car. 350 engine, automatic transmission. Car has power disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. Now when we got this car, it had these chrome Keystone 5-spoke wheels on it. And you know, I thought about putting different wheels and tires on this car, but they just look so nice on it. I decided not to mess with them. It's kind of nostalgic. This car has been frame off restored. It was probably done in the 2000s and early 2000s, I would say. This thing is super solid underneath. The body, the paint, the interior of this car is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't see any bubbles, any blisters, any nicks, major dings, scratches, scrapes, nothing on this car. The chrome bumpers on this car are very, very nice. All your stainless steel down the side of the car, all your trim is very, very nice shape too. I have a little water spot on it that didn't get wiped off. Chrome door handles are nice. All your chrome around your windows here, good shape, all the way around. The interior in this car is super, super nice. Got the original style material bench seat in the front, the original style material seat in the rear, even your side cushions there, side panels are just like they should be. Factory steering wheel, it's got a retro radio in it. It does have a set of Dakota digital gauges in it. I put those in. The speedometer wasn't working on the old set of gauges, so, and the headliner is fine. That's just a reflection over there that you see. Headliners are really nice in the car. Sun visors are nice. Your door jambs are super nice. Another little water spot. Carpet's very nice. Just all in all, a really nice 57 Chevrolet. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyon.com. Power steering, maintain only carburetor, disc brakes, upper brakes. Very, very nice car. Runs down really nice, driveway. I will have underneath pictures of this car here real soon. I'll post them on my website as well. You say to all the stainless trim, bright work on this car, very, very nice. It does have one little minor chip right here in the paint when you open the door, which we can touch that up. I just now noticed it, to be honest with you. So, but that's what we do here at Kenyon Classics. I'll show you everything that I know about these cars. Dome light works. Got a good sounding exhaust on it. Reminds me of when I was growing up as a kid, we had a 57 Chevrolet two-door hardtop. Sounded about the same way. Cars, Clarence, Iowa. See your turn signal, your headlights. Really, really great car, guys. Beautiful, beautiful 57 two-door hardtop. They don't come any nicer, they don't come any cleaner, they don't come any cooler. The white top really kind of sets it off too. Get her down the road here a little bit for you. Horn works too. This particular car came out of a private collection. Guy had all really, really nice cars. We brought them all in and went through them. Like I say, this car, the speedometer wasn't working on it, so we went ahead and put the Dakota digital dash in it, which I think really kind of makes a cool car out of them. We just try to go through them all and make sure that everything's working. Do we miss stuff? Yeah, I mean, it happens. They're old cars, but we do the best we can, and we try to make sure you got a quality car. So I really appreciate everyone watching our videos. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Again, KinyonAuto.com, KINION Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call if you're interested in this 57 or maybe one of the other 57s we have in stock. We stock a bunch of cars. I probably have 5 57s right now. So this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Give us a call. I really appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Have a great day, everybody.